Some of our son Barry.
Okay. And what are you going to
So we are on part 2. What's your biggest takeaway?
Yeah. She doesn't shoot.
Flexibility and to retrain our brains that we are not putting millennials on probationary periods. They are putting us on probationary periods as employers, and we need to do better to meet their expectations of what's important to them.
Anything that you heard today from the millennials that surprised you?
Well, what I learned from the millennials today is that they want to know that the companies are doing something to give back to the community, and we do that, but we're not public about it. We do a lot of good things, and we have a lot of charitable giving, but nobody knows it. And we need to do a better job of making employees aware of what we do. The millennials that we talk to and interact with are very intelligent and very thoughtful, and they want to feel that the companies are committed to them and that they have security in the positions. It's not just a part-time thing, as much as we want to think it is, and that they don't want to work, they do want to work, and they want to stay, and they want to be committed. I would say that this is a good investment in our time to come learn from people that this is their job to help us. And Missouri Enterprise has been a very good partner in helping us grow our business.